prepping for racing. Prepping. This is
Worse
serious
than my
practice.
daughter. Let's go.
This is a serious,
always prep.
serious practice race. So we gotta be.
It's very serious.
It's
very official.
Whose Lamborghini? Is that a no? What is that up front? Is that a McLaren?
A McLaren.
Oh man,
Me and Gary got. I mean,
Oh sure.
Gary.
Switch lanes
Gary.
on me. Oh yeah.
Gary.
Right.
Well, we try to Gary every
Gary,
single time.
Glenn, Gary,
Sure,
Glenn,
right.
Ross.
You're gonna complain
Gary
anyway.
with the
Everyone
McLaren.
else is complaining.
Can you give
Nate,
Steve a
push
push?
me back a little bit.
How long is this for? 12
Oh,
hours?
oh, this is 16 minutes. Should we
All
change
right.
that?
That's fine.
I don't care.
No, it doesn't matter. We
Let's
brought
do
it
this
to
thing.
show.
Okay.
Just hit start?
Yes, indeed.
You get a nice groove with 16 minutes.
Yeah, you
we were
do.
getting a groove.
I got into a trance at one point.
He was driving with his wheels off. He was so focused.
True.
He drove the wheels off of it.
Oh, that's a good line.
Hurry up! Who's going so slow?
Yeah, they're letting that orange car get away.
Come on now, grab full throttle.
Oh!
What? Who's that already?
Did I get my lap?
Half a lap.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Can I have
We're not gonna do
Carter, did I
assist?
am I gonna get my lap right there?
Thank you very much. No, you're not.
That's good.
That works.
Thanks.
It works
But,
for me.
sure, yeah.
Works for me. He's already lapped out.
Yeah,
I like it.
And Nate, you'll see. You're number one. Well, you're on the left. Okay, we'll see. Hey, you got it. Here we go.
It's so awesome. I'm just bored. And there it is. Still won't go. It's awesome.
When you go from, better to start with a Scalextric and stay with it until you don't
Yeah.
upgrade until.
Whoa!
That being said, though, that these cars are really fun, and that's what's cool.
You know, they're fast enough.
Yeah.
Speak for yourself.
These.
I need a little more throttle on mine.
Well, mine's kind of the tires are a little too sticky, I think. It's high side.
Don't be too sticky.
No, it's
Did I do that? Or
Don't worry about it.
did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh! Thank you. Alright, I'm playing mode.
Someone's got to get Glen. He's just broken apart here. Get him, Carter.
Okay.
He's too damn far out now.
Come on, up there.
Okay.
I blame Steve.
Yeah, definitely. I'm back here. I'm great in a
It's a
straight
good
line.
track call, Tim. It's no big deal.
Trouble! That was just a waste
I
of my
love
freaking
those
time.
albums.
When you hear that, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Yes.
Everybody in?
Yep. Is it in yet?
If you don't know, you got problems.
I'm done. What are you talking about? What the
Yeah. Wait, any problems? Oh.
If you follow my technique, it's guaranteed for male orgasm. Oh, yes.
Kimbo.
I have a 100% success rate.
Yes, indeed.
You got an Audi R8. That's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
Just needs a wing.
I think these Porsches are a little too much weight up top. But Carter seems to be going all, so I don't know.
Trouble!
Come on.
Oh, I'm going backwards in the track. I'm going backwards.
Awesome.
How'd that happen?
I don't know, but you were about to encounter
I
it.
tried to
It
plow
was
right
almost
through
ugly. Then I realized, oh, I better stop the track.
That was
Oh,
pretty
here comes
awesome.
Punt Master Jay. Gary.
Good old Gary.
Good old Gary. You can always depend on Gary.
Pump Master Gary.
What is this?
Oh, I got him boxed. Oh, Gary's in trouble. Oh, tries to punt. Oh!
Brake checking me. Brake checking me. What is that?
Oh, you bastard! Can't believe you out-throttled me right there. Damn it! I'm gonna get you, Gary.
Oh, sorry. I got it.
Oh, I'm
It's
getting
just
those
gonna
two
be
cars
enough-
mixed up. That's you,
just enough to
Steve?
get the brakes
That's me.
and the power. That's all.
I kept thinking,
Oh,
I'm trying, man. I'm full throttle, man.
Oh, no,
time, I'm almost full throttle. Right now, full throttle, full throttle, full throttle. Go, go, go!
What happened to
Oh!
car?
Sorry. I was trying
Full
to prove,
throttle,
trying to prove a point. And I
Yeah,
went
you rolled the car.
I guess I gotta let up there. I need Dennis's traction control. That sounds awesome.
Yeah, but it doesn't sound like
$700. That's insane.
what it does. It takes any skill out of driving.
Well, and you saw what happened. Dennis was like, he wrote that email afterwards, oh man, it hit me that I finally won. It felt so great, it's so important to me, you know.
Yeah,
It's
you
like,
can't.
that's fine, but
You can't go from
How was he
almost last place every
Not
time to
that he-
winning.
you won this
There has to be
whole- you
progression.
won it.
You won by less than a lap.
Yeah,
Okay.
you won by less than that.
I almost fought it back on that one.
I mean, if you're consistently in the top 3 and you pull a win, oh my God, that's amazing.
No, I
To
mean,
be in
he
the
put a
bottom
lot-
of the-
He put a lot of good work in that car. It was a beautiful car.
Oh, yeah.
And it ran good, but he wouldn't have been able to handle that gigantic motor he put in it. That was 3 times faster than anybody else if he didn't have traction.
So the motor was bigger.
It was like what, a
Matter.
30K, 40K?
30K, I think.
Yeah.
30K.
Oh,
And
okay.
Max was running a 14K, so that's the difference.
Oh, I didn't catch that part. Oh, here comes Gary. There goes Gary.
Hunting Gary.
I can't even get Gary. Gary, you suck.
Thank you.
Where did the Gary thing
Oh,
come
can you
from?
grab me, Trevor?
Yeah.
I called him Gary twice, Glen. So now it's Hunting Gary.
Okay, now I get it. I think it's some movie.
Gary. No,
No, it's just
Gary,
Gary
right over there on lane 3.
It's just Gary.
I've been called
Oh,
Gary,
Gary.
Twig, everything.
Oh, I don't even think we were sideways right there.
You added a lap on your total.
What?
You lost a lap. You have a lap added onto this total. Note this.
How did I get it out? Where's that?
I don't think we're keeping track, are we?
What? We're keeping track.
Are we?
of it. What? Easy.
Oh no, I meant the.
No, we're not. No,
yeah.
not on that.
Okay, here we
Go
go.
ahead.
I don't.
I don't know. Whatever.
We'll figure it out at the end.
Whoa. Steve.
By the way, I know you're in the lead. Okay.
Okay.
Gary's in
Gary's in
the
the
lead.
lead.
Gary isn't in the lead.
Oh, see, that's the same thing that happened over there. I think
Not
you just kind of
according-
rolled off.
Not according
That's
to
carrying
the.
too much speed.
Yeah, that thing's fast.
It gets fast at the end of the straightaway, but not anywhere else. No acceleration off the corners, nothing like that.
Oh, I can't believe I missed that. It like bounced off my door.
Gary's coming. Watch out, Sid. Gary's
Dude,
coming.
Gary doesn't even wait like a lap
No,
before he laps you.
He just wants to punch
Oh,
you.
oh, trouble!
Yeah.
Let me get that for you.
Yeah. Good job, dude. Way to get Gary.
He tries to punt me and then comes off.
I didn't
Bastard.
try to punch you. You brake checking me.
Dude, look at my hand. I can't go faster.
Now that what? Yeah. Who's brake checking
Oh,
who now?
sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
What happened?
By the way,
sorry.
by the way, it's perfect. I just lost my lap now too. So
How did we?
when it stops and you hear this ding ding
Oh, you
right
gotta go-
there,
oh,
it's
okay.
Why don't,
almost
why don't you
guaranteed.
It's not in the slot.
put Glenn there too, and then that way you both have your lap
No,
back.
no.
Because he
Probably-
lost a lap too.
Hang on a second.
Okay.
It probably won't count this
Oh.
lap either. This only solves the instant. Otherwise, it has an 8-second,
Oh,
8.5
yeah,
second.
I get
You
it.
can't.
Right.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, I didn't get it. So, but Glenn didn't get his earlier either.
Yeah, he did. Glenn got all of them.
Yeah, exactly.
Glenn didn't
He
get
doesn't
it.
even wait a lap to lap me.
Okay, so now it shows Glenn back in the lead again. Oh, brake checking me now. Okay.
No.
No, you slid out actually, and I handed you.
Oh!
Carnage.
Oh, what's up, buddy? Tell me. Oh!
You're not down on power. You
Not
beat him
right
on the
there.
straightaway.
I don't know what's going on. I think he's playing with me. He's playing with you. Yeah, he is.
Gary.
Oh, there you go. Gary's playing games. Gary's playing games. Oh, Gary.
Damn, Gary. He's such a playful guy, that Gary.
Gary's toying with me.
Why is Gary toying with you?
He's such a tease, that Gary.
When he laps me before I get around one lap, I'm gonna be fine.
Oh!
We're so
Oh,
close.
thank God.
Whoa, man. That
Hey,
was
what are you
close.
doing? Gary, you're supposed to put it behind.
Gary.
That was only for you.
Sure, when he's marching his own car, he puts it in front of the
Yeah, and he put
crossover.
my car forward too one time. So.
That's funny.
Okay, you just want to
You
let
gotta
me...
keep an eye on Gary.
Yeah, you
let
gotta
me-
watch.
keep an
Gary's
eye on
sneaky.
You just want to let me go. Just hang on a second. Let me go. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Where do you want to go that you want us to let you go?
It's Bigfoot again.
Timbo, I'm coming.
I know,
Wow.
bastard.
If you had a wing, I would love that. I'd eat that.
Doesn't have any windows.
I know it is. It's a little thin.
Am I even in there?
No.
Super resistant.
Yeah. No driver.
Oh,
Stop. You just stopped on. Oh, you're out?
no, I popped out.
Oh, good.
Well, you're in pit lane.
Perfect.
You okay with that?
Yeah.
Ready? Where am I? Where's my camera? Okay. Always good to see you come up before you get to circle.
It's a good. This crew understands be ready for the start button. Friday night's not always that way.
It changes throughout the night.
Does it get worse or better?
I don't know.
It
It could get better, maybe.
gets worse.
I think Martin gets worse and Bill gets better, or am I backwards?
Bill gets way worse. Martin's just the way of life.
Is Albert, he doesn't race anymore?
No, he doesn't.
There's too much stress for him.
Exactly.
Oh, what's the matter, Gary?
Gary, did you lose your concentration,
No,
Gary?
I was making up all that time to
I know,
blow it.
because he was on me, and thank goodness Greg crashed right when he did. Otherwise, we
Craig! Craig, Gary, Paul,
Greg.
Norm, all the guys are out today.
I was working so hard.
Dude, that Bigfoot keeps flying by. Holy crap.
You were reeling him in, huh?
Oh yeah, I was right behind him.
I'm reeling him in with my tow rope.
A digital series of DPC
Damn it!
Scalextrics would be super fun.
Dude, how did you stay in? That is a friggin' ramming speed.
neat thing is they don't really break these cars.
No.
Yeah,
these
stuff
are
isn't flying off them, exactly.
And mirrors are sort of a given, although on the Porsches they're molded in hard to the body.
Oh.
And I think these are like rubber, so it's like not even.
They're super resistant. Oh!
I don't even know where my car is.
What happened?
Anybody?
I popped.
You're
Oh, right
in
here,
front of
there
you.
I am, right in front of me.
Oh, what's happened? What's happened?
Okay, everybody's ready?
Yeah.
What's taped on the front of my car?
That's so it doesn't get.
That's why it's overheating.
Yeah, it is.
Because it's all blocked with tape. The radiator, I'm getting my for all my downforce. Damn it! Go, 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 go!
No, actually, I should apologize to you.
How much time do you have left?
6 minutes.
Really?
Really?
Feels like I've been doing this for about an hour.
I get.
Oh!
Can I have a push forward as well?
Both are in?
Both are in.
Everybody ready? See how I was nice about that? See?
Just see.
That's
About
an
time.
extra couple of laps for that.
It's about time, Greg.
What was that?
Me. Sorry. Me again. Just a little bit off there.
The stock tires are giving up the ghost now. They're not happy with me.
No, they go after a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. Glen doesn't seem to be having that issue.
So Glenn, you got an orange end all in that?
No, it's whatever came with the car.
Uh-huh.
I didn't do anything with this.
Oh, that was fun. Right after the bar where I crashed.
Hang on 1 second, let me just get my hand back here. Here we go, 4 minutes.
I just kept it punched to see how long I could do it.
Slowing him down, you said?
There's two. I gotta let off full throttle at the end of the straightaway and across the start finish.
That sounds like too easy a car.
Yeah, super fun.
Good.
Oh, trouble!
Oh, look at that! Stuck right through! Blocker!
Yeah, you did.
Oh!
Oh, trouble!
My rear tires are giving out.
My hand is
We're
sticking
even.
out.
I think everybody's tires are.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, the track can't be dirty with all the races on it before, you know?
I actually scrubbed it down pretty good yesterday morning.
Yeah, good, Greg.
Just so you wouldn't get any dust on your tires, though, long term. 16 minutes is a long time. Oh, God. No. Good job, Tim.
Oh! Oh!
That's
2 minutes. 12 seconds.
drag race.
2 minutes and a lap.
Oh!
Oh shit, I'm off over there.
I'll trade you.
Explain. Care?
Out. Thank you.
Ready?
Yes. Locating your car. The one with the tennis ball needs.
Oh, well, bang in. I love it.
Oh. Sorry.
Thank you, Glenn.
Sure. No, I'm not.
I think I picked up on your rear fender.
We offender.
What?
Who's that offender?
Ex-offender?
Every time I get close enough, or something
Yeah.
happens.
Love it is racing.
I hear some plastic. I hear some plastic there,
I
baby.
did, I heard it. You outlasted me right there.
Why don't you wait for me, Carter? We can race side by side.
Oh no! Ah.
That'd be dangerous.
That sucked.
We were having a good race.
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
That was fun.
I was gonna use Tim as a blocker, but
Tim was gonna be there.
let's just get past Tim.
On the computer car. Oh, trouble.
Ooh, upside down too.
I can't really
That's
concentrate.
right back.
Yes, please. And
Everybody
go.
go.
Yes.
Where's my card? There it is.
3 seconds. Elvis.
How much?
Oh man.
3
Cross the
seconds.
start.
I said, I'm going, how much?
43615. And I think that was
What were the lap totals?
4 3. Oh yeah, sorry. 3.27. 76, 76, 75, 70, 69.
See, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
See, we
Good
can run that
lap
whole
times,
digital
dude.
series.
Good all-
just
yep,
like that.
yep.
Mm.
Whole digital series.
Have three races, whatever.
Yep.
And just
Yeah, every time I got close and
That was
close and then.
Some, first of all, they were screwing with you.
What's the
verbally,
lap times?
mentally, during all time.
11s,
No,
12s, huh?
Glen had the fastest at 11.5, at 11.6. There are two 12.0s. That's third and fifth place.
That's
At 6, it's Nate, and 12.5 was had by you.
And if you think about it, the lap times aren't that much different than what we were doing before.
True. No, they're Scalextric cars, and they're
You know, one
No,
cars
what were the
your car
what
was
were the lap times
incredibly
on the
difficult
fives
to get
or eights,
past.
no?
You said
No.
he was just fast. He was a little bit slower, I guess. But it was just,
Yeah, if you guys hit me in the straightaway, you just go.
No.
But in the corners, I'm just like
That's
this all
without
the time.
any
I had to let up there, and I had to let up
That's awesome.
here.
okay, not here.
See, we got
No,
a digital
I
series.
never let up here, and actually I let up so 3 places. There, entering the chicane, and then across the start finish. But you know what? I never tried keeping it punched across start finish. I should have tried it once because maybe it would have done it. Actually, let me try it.
Okay.
Here,
Let's,
turn it
here.
on.
Orange car.
Never mind.
Good thing it's still electric. You would have lost like.
Oh, my
3
car.
spots. Hold on, stop.
My car off. That car off. There you go.
That's my car. Oh man.
No,
No.
couldn't do it. All right. Wow, so fast. Look at that.
Poor Scalextric motor stressing.
Oh yeah, look.
So what's
yeah.
this tape
I
on?
was beginning to smell a little, little commutator.
Yeah.
Holds the
Okay.
lead
It's,
in, I
it's
think.
stressful.
Yeah, so
Or
those are stealing
Oh, there's
too.
weight in
So
there?
we got
Yeah.
these.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we should do it.
It seems to have more weight than others.
Have like a 3
So,
race.
Oh, yeah, this
That's
is
why
way
we
heavier.
got them though.
Absolutely.
Right.
So
We'll do that.
I remember this car being
Yeah,
faster,
digital.
but
Yeah. Just racing.
You know what? It
It'd
was
be super
faster,
fun. We're
but
all,
it was
you know, right there.
the tires were messed up. Exactly. No, that was a totally different car than this one. And this one, maybe if I messed the tires, I didn't even play. It just went, tires.
This could be a better car.
again tires or the dirty tires?
Yeah, I think it would have the same. These 2 cars, this one that you did that I ended up racing, the Audi,
Uh-huh.
and that one, both just flat the track. But you just happened to grab this one
Something.
before I did the tires, so I didn't even get a chance to try that.
This is the better of the 2 cars. One of the better
track now.
electric cars I've ever owned.
Yeah.
Used to be at least. So
No,
that matters there.
Oh, I gotta tighten
I just cracked the door a little bit.
Hey,
Carter.
oh, it's fine. There's a window too.
Get some.
Yes.
tighten this up too in the back. These are fun.
Like you said, I mean the lap times were right in the
Right
same
there,
game,
Right
yeah.
there with everything else.
Right there.
Pretty funny.
We have. I I have Group C
It was
cars
good
here,
racing.
going to
I
keep
mean, it was
running.
fun. We were next to each other, beside each other the whole
Yeah.
race. Everyone was always next to each other.
Okay, Tim, let's get this.
Ah.
Try this one.
I think you already set it up.
All right, good. Oh, that's way faster.
That's an illegal car because it's faster.
Oh, whoa! Grab that car.
No question.
Thanks.
Again, get back on.
Oh, you could
That's
have
what, yeah.
swapped flat, changed lanes. You gotta have vision there, Mr. Tim.
I could see. It's bulletproof too.
12.8.
Alright.
Definitely has way more torque, but it's squirrely.
Squirrely is good.
Squirrely. Oh, I would have been taking
I
people
thought
out
you
with
said
this one.
girly.
The other one,
Yeah,
the other one was hugging the road, you know.
Uh-huh.
Wasn't throwing the ass end out. Here.
It's a fast car by comparison.
Whoa. Yeah, it's so much
We're
quicker.
gonna learn how to change
I just wanted to see how this
The
works.
actual speed, you can see the difference.
What is it?
Ferrari?
I like
See,
that.
that's gonna cost me.
Oh yeah, it's the same,
That would definitely
same
cost
class.
me.
Ferrari 430,
Same
I
class.
like that car.
Yeah.
That's a pretty car.
That's not a D.
Is it?
Yeah, this one is.
Is it?
Sure.
Nice.
CP, right? Right there.
Awesome.
See, that's what I'm saying. This
Things are
category,
old,
this category will have so many choices.
And these cars are only $30. It's not like you're.
It's going faster. That one.
Yeah, it's not like 100. Yeah.
Right.
Hell of an
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's just me.
No, it's not just you.
Easy, Glenn.
We let Dennis and Mike
faster than
control
Here,
what we
try
were
this one.
running, and now we're running pod, GT,
No, but the thing is, you shouldn't let Dennis because he's not a track guy.
You know, the thing is,
But that's just me.
though, I'm going to tell you, if you haven't already, spent some fast laps in the NSR GT cars.
Yeah.
They are fucking sweet.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not saying you're not. I'm just saying.
But there's no point if well, you just separate. You run a GT series, you run a blank pen series with Scalextric cars,
You know what I was almost thinking?
total modified. Yeah.
Or maybe the next few series we run non-pod GT cars and pod GT cars. We run them as a tandem.
Do that too.
So the same class of car, just one pod and one not?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm okay with that. Do I have one?
I didn't think we're looking floor brakes are changing even after
Yeah.
I don't know.
But I think that would be the cool next few series to run.
What were you kind of lap times you getting? 12.5?
Because
Something like
LMP
that,
is going to be sort
Like that,
of,
these
an
ranks.
Somebody's car
FIGT
is pulling a lot of juice.
is going to be invitational, I guess. In Roner Park, and then maybe
Oh, the Roner Park LMP?
in Max.
Yeah, I
There's two weird lanes.
You don't want to do it?
No, I mean, I'll
I'm
do
not
it.
gonna.
But
go
I'm not
crazy.
gonna build. I'm not gonna build a car
no,
for
no,
Roner Park.
No, but you
That's
take
what you
a.
have to do to win.
No, you take a slide
That's
and
it. And
just
when
run
you
it.
watch everyone else,
That's
you know,
all I'm
whoa,
gonna do.
whoa, Gary over
If
here.
they want to get
whoa, whoa.
crazy,
No, that's the thing.
fine,
It looks
but
good. You
I'm
know
just
what?
gonna
It's
go
going to go so fast because the
But
ass
I think
in.
it needs to be restrictions.
It's
on
actually hugging
tires,
because you're
needs to be restrictions
full
on
throttle. You know,
motors.
things not sliding
Yeah,
out.
you set it up
There were
with
so many
slide,
times you guys were right next to me, you know.
Dennis is
and I
gonna
wasn't
put in a
knocking anyone out of
40,000 motor.
And at
If
that
I would've
track,
ran this
that
one
40,000 motor makes a
From the
big
3
difference.
laps I just did,
So
you
maybe
guys
you
would
say
have
the
punted
motor
every
can't
time
be
you came
higher
around.
than 25.
So it's kind of cool that this thing
Yeah.
So if
hooked
he
up.
really wants to do a
It
yellow
wasn't
belt, that's
super
fine.
slow, but it was
If
slow
he wants to do
enough.
the black motor,
So it
that's
was
fine.
neat because you got that to work your way to
That's
get
it.
around me.
Oh, totally. 'Cause I mean, you were.
So we're gonna have to draw those up. So we'll have to draw those up so Ryan can know.
Yeah.
And then maybe the very first race we do at Red Hill, Max's track, we do the same cars, and that way we can work out the kinks and all that kind of stuff. Because I think we need to have a race like that before we have a official race over
Well,
there.
it wouldn't be the Roner Park won't be it's not gonna be a
No,
horse
no.
race anyway.
No. But I mean,
Yeah.
maybe we need to have an invitational kind of thing.
Sure.
So that way if something goes wrong, it doesn't
Yeah.
affect.
There you go.
I Also, I set
I
up
love you,
at the track, I set up a TV monitor, so we hook up the computer screen to the TV monitor so everyone can see the times and everything.
Oh.
I'm going all out.
It's raising the bar. I don't like that.
Well, you know, it's gonna be nice just to
Told
have
my wife I gotta get an old big screen. Why?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I gotta put a big screen downstairs to do all the lap time stuff.
I mean, I'm just saying, it's gonna be nice to have another venue. That we
Yeah,
have.
absolutely.
We need it badly. And unfortunately with Max, you know, we couldn't have access to it enough.
Right.
And that's why Max is excited. He's like, oh man, we're gonna be able to race on it anytime we want. I said, hell yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You don't want to get your life taken over by guys coming to your track.
No, right. But with us splitting it up, it's gonna help everyone.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You know,
I could definitely
it's gonna
handle,
relieve you a little bit, Steve.
a couple
Obviously.
extra races a week.
I'm sorry, Steve.
The HO club that I raced with in LA, you know, we did Thursday night,
Yeah.
but it was only one series at a time. You know,
Yeah.
one series was practice and one race.
Give this one a run.
That's right. We got a slot over here.
Yeah, it's alright.
But the tires weren't in.
Got by it.
It was sticking. It was more acceleration. That's the thing. The tires were great because it wasn't throwing the end out. That's why you guys were able to have it tough because I could keep it pegged, but it wasn't throwing me, so I wasn't punting everyone out when I went on a turn. You guys were trying to get around it. So the tires are actually good.
Maybe
It's more of the
this one should get it.
yeah. This car was awesome, but it just had the
Oh, sorry.
whoa. What's going on over here? I pushed the wrong button.
Okay, so
But that was weird. Didn't stop the track.
it's on practice run.
That was funny.
Kimbo.
Ah, damn it. I'm not hitting on all cylinders.
12-6. And you were racing.
Put that car anywhere, Nate.
Well, I didn't want it to be in anyone's way.
Maybe it should be on
I think
this
let's put him on that car.
Or
12-1. That's right, 12-1.
or this one. Yes. So.
Awesome. Okay.
That was fried. I'm in the yellow lane.
Yellow lane, yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why. But it is.
More interior. Oh, that's crash resistant, that's why.
Oh yeah. Okay. So this doesn't have an interior, right?
Yeah.
Well, you have to balance that up.
Yeah, what we'll have to do is wait.
Yeah.
We'll measure the
I'm
cars.
saying it's the other car.
We'll measure the cars with weight.
I gotta
and
drive again.
just So Glen would have to add a little weight to his car.
Right.
He can put it wherever he wants, but he has to add weight.
You have to have weight? Is minimum weight class?
Or he had.
Well, no, because
he adds-
he has no interior.
No, he adds the interior.
Oh.
You have to get an interior. You put it in.
I don't think it would fit in there, would it? Because they're crash resistant, isn't it all?
I don't think it. I think the body's the same. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe they're later. Maybe there's no room.
He could just
Well,
add
they-
some weight.
Don't-
Yeah.
Don't put anything. I want to run that car
Um,
with these tires.
This is true.
but you know what also is
Yeah,
gonna make Dennis mad? He wanted to run the scale auto.
Okay, I got it. All right.
Yeah.
I mean in GT1,
Yeah.
Lexan interior on that.
I was getting more material.
Absolutely.
But that's what Mike ran.
Really?
Fast.
You guys let him?
Faster car.
Yeah.
The Lexan material?
I didn't know it was like it.
Yeah.
Otherwise I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he said, oh, it's the same motor, and it's the same, you know, all right, yeah, okay, and then he comes down. Just like, yeah. But with Mike, you don't know.
Right, because he's a hell of a driver, so
Right.
you don't know.
So he could be Mike, it could be the car.
Right. But if you have a Lexan interior,
No, I
the
got it.
car is going to be.
I got it. Yeah. That's why they make them. And then Mike says, well, the pod doesn't really do that much good. Really? Well, then why do you make them? They made them because
It makes the car run better.
car runs better. I'm born
It's the
against
same
it.
reason why Billy says Mike at his track runs a higher voltage. Mike does.
Right.
Because it benefits him
Right.
on a higher voltage. You run 10. Yeah.
Pioneer.
That's what you're going to run?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Just changed that. Then I got.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'm thinking about running a Mustang. I don't know. We'll see.
I have 3 Mustangs. I'm running a Mustang. I don't care if they run worse than the
Yeah.
Camaro.
I'm
I
really
want to run.
scared.
He
went right off the track.
I'll take
Yeah.
the Camaro now and set that up for basically for
Yeah,
him.
yeah.
And probably would run up, we're running Steve's, would probably run Steve's too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just keep the chip in it, set it up.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Right.
Right.
That's it. Yeah.
That's why I'm hoping that
And
Steve
that's it.
sells me this fly car,
And
so
I
I
chewed
can
up the
just have a
fly
car
Yeah.
that I can
Yeah.
run.
You know, and all I did was
Because
stick
it's
a
hard to-
DPR
those
in
fly
there
cars
and
are
the
really hard to
came.
set.
All I did was
Like
make
you
sure
said,
the
it was
flat,
very difficult.
Oh, it was
handle,
pain,
these,
But
you know,
Carter
that
pointed
was
out
it,
to
a
me,
little move in
the
here.
new slotted
Other
chip,
than that, just need to
Smaller.
tighten
Smaller.
this up just a little bit.
you know, I mean, that's,
But
Easier.
I could do that, I could build even a little plastic thing to slide in there.
Yeah.
Get a channel of some kind.
Yeah, but the SP12
this
was
is pretty
Right.
cool.
not good.
Oh, yeah.
That thing is rock
Oh,
solid.
You don't want it that tight though, but you want it better than this. And I just haven't done anything to it because we haven't been playing with them, so. But now we are.
Mr. Carter,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, thanks, sir.
you're quite welcome.
Thank.
Unfortunately, my Trans Am was not functioning.
That's awesome, awesome, good.
That,
I'm so happy. It's the way we like to.
I actually had to glue it though.
Fun event is.
That's the way you let, yes, that's always the way you
Because
do it.
I sanded the
You don't like that bunch of
interior,
people going
it
home
was
pissed off.
No.
I had to
No.
sand the interior.
It doesn't
didn't
look-
snap.
Alcohol
doesn't
is
snap in,
often
it's
one of those ways to ensure.
Yeah, no, it wouldn't. slip
Sorry,
in.
to
Oh,
risk
because it's
gamble,
too
to
loose,
throw the
yeah,
dice and
yeah.
say, how,
Right,
wonder how
so
the day's gonna turn out.
That's what I did. It was no problem. It didn't, you know.
No.
Yeah.
You know, and it just makes the car
Recognize the.
Oh,
more
yeah.
at ease.
than the car sitting this high.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like the
So
car's
this
going
is
down
from,
track.
holy crap, ooh, that's not good.
I don't think I can restore that.
No, I don't think so, no.
Restore what?
That's exactly what I did.
Well, let me see.
This car's motor mount broke,
No.
so I
Yeah.
glued it down.
Yeah, there you go, yeah.
It stays in.
No.
Yeah.
But what you can do,
So,
What'd you do? You glued in the,
Carter,
because the motor mount broke on it.
Oh,
And then the
yeah.
motor mount broke, and it would be driving along with something. It would pop out. The gear would pop.
See, I just got one now.
oh no, you bent the whole shaft on this.
Yeah.
This is toast.
So,
Save,
throw it away.
save the gear.
Sounds like,
Save
Yeah.
the
You
gear
take the gear off
and
save
save
the
your,
gear.
and save your gear and your
Correct.
end belt.
Oh well. Fine.
Save the gear and your end belt. If the end belt's still good, save that, because if you have a motor that's dying because you're using it so much, just swap the end belt.
Oh,
Swap this.
that I
and
didn't know.
put it on the other coat. This way, because it's a new motor, right? Or a
Yeah.
newish
Yes, it is.
So that means your comms on your end belt are still good.
Okay.
So just, you know, just save the pieces that you
Can
can.
you just pry those out?
Just pry the little things out. The whole thing goes right out.
I have a tool
Okay.
worth it.
Yeah.
Gary is some knowledge right there. I mean,
Yes,
I mean, communicator and
Prophecies
it's
and
all
then-
good. I mean, that's amazing. Gary is very knowledgeable.
Is there another
Greg's
next?
pretty smart too.
Is there another?
Yeah,
Greg's alright too, Greg's a good guy, yep.
Would you like to do Group C's, or would you like to
You
do
know you
GT40s,
missed it.
or?